Hello and welcome to the video demonstration of our final project for object-oriented design and development. One of the requirements of our project was to ensure that all newly created assignments were added to the assignment badges table with a default threshold of 95 for the good reviewer and good teammate badges. And as we can see when we create this new assignment, the assignment with the assignment ID 851 shows up in the assignment table, and two items appear in the assignment badge table with assignment ID 851 and threshold 95. We're now going to demonstrate what effect changing a student's review scores has on their good reviewer badge status. As we can see, student 7127 does not have the badge currently assigned. And we should mention here that the badge threshold for this badge has not been changed from the default of 95. So we'll increase the review score for student 7127. Right now it is at 50. So we'll raise that up to 95. And as we can see, the badge now appears on the participant list for the instructor. And if we impersonate the user, we can also see that badge appear next to the assignment on their task list. So now we want to demonstrate that the badge is properly revoked when the student score drops again below the threshold. So once more, we'll be editing the review score for student 7127. We will drop it back down to 50. And as we can see, the badge has disappeared from the instructor's participant list view. And if we impersonate that user, it is also gone from the task list view for that assignment. Next, we'll demonstrate that changing the badge threshold for an assignment properly updates the badges for each student. So again, we have student 7127 without the good reviewer badge. And in this case, we will go into the Edit Assignment panel and we'll change the threshold of the assignment badge down to 50. So as we can see, student 7127 has the badge awarded, as well as many others. And if we impersonate 7127, we can see that it's added to the task list as well. And again, we want to demonstrate the inverse, so we will be raising the threshold back to 95 and ensuring that the badges are properly removed from the students. And as we can see, the badge has been removed from 7127 and no longer appears on the task list either. Next, we'll demonstrate what effect changing a student's teammate review scores has on the good teammate badge. And right now we're impersonating a team member of student 7127. Student 7127 currently has two teammate reviews for them, one at a 0 score and one at a 100 score, so they have an average of 50. We're changing the teammate review score of 0 up to 100, so the average for student 7127 goes up to 100 as well. And as we can see, student 7127 has been awarded the Good Teammate badge, which also appears on their task list next to the assignment. And once again, we'll want to demonstrate the inverse by revoking the badge when the teammate review score drops back below the threshold. So again, we'll be impersonating a team member of student 7127, and we are dropping the score for the teammate review back down to 0. And as we can see, the good teammate badge has been revoked and no longer appears on the student task list either. Our last demonstration will show that changing the threshold for the good teammate badge has an effect on all students in the awarded badges table, either awarding or revoking the badges based on the threshold. And again, here's student 7127, who has one teammate review score of 100 and one of 0, so an average of 50. And as we can see, student 7127 currently does not have the good teammate badge awarded. So we'll edit the threshold for that badge for the assignment down to 50. And as we can see, student 7127 has been awarded the badge, as well as any student who has a score greater than or equal to 50. And once more, we will be demonstrating the inverse by raising the threshold back up to 95. And as we can see, student 7127 has lost the good teammate badge, as well as many other students.